Hi, this is Brad with AZ Irrigation and Maintenance. I just wanted to tell you the two types of backflow devices that you need to have on your irrigation system. Now, the National Plumbing Code is fairly small. It doesn't say too much about irrigation systems, except you need to have a pressure vacuum breaker or an RP style backflow to protect your potable water from the drinking or from the landscape water. So what can happen is you're spraying or there's just contaminants out in your yard, and this device is going to protect your drinking water from basically getting the contaminants getting sucked back through the irrigation system into your drinking water. So it'll protect you, your neighbors, and your family. So it's a very important component to have on your system. A lot of people don't have it, but we'll take a look at this one. This is a pressure vacuum breaker, or a PVB, and this is the cheapest option, but it's not always the option you can have, but I'll explain that in a second. So it's pretty simple. It's just it's got a ball valve, a couple test cocks, and then this is the protection device in here, and then it has another ball valve. With this device, it needs to be 12 inches above any sprinkler head or drip emitter you have. So if you have let's just kind of level this off. You'd have to have with this one, you'd have to have a completely level yard, or it'd have to slope down from here for this to work. Otherwise, if you're going uphill, like say in the backyard or front yard, and it goes up maybe 5, 10, or even a foot, you would have to have this device at the highest sprinkler head or drip emitter plus another 12 inches. So that's why you can't always use this, even though it's your cheapest option. And I think that's about it. Okay, so we'll look at a RP style backflow right now. We just drove right down the street. So water's coming up this way. You got your ball valve, your number 1 ball valve, number 2 ball valve, test cock 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what makes this kind of special is it's got this vent right here. So it's called a reduced pressure backflow, but it's not reducing the pressure. It's if the pressure is reduced on the inflow side and the pressure is higher up here, it's going to vent out, and then that way the water is not getting sucked back into your potable water. So with this one, they installed it right. This is like the lowest point on the property, and it kind of goes up that way and around the house. So they installed a proper backflow for this system.